savage bitch, but no, I'm not Randy. Hit her with no condom, had to make her eat a plan B. And I'm sipping on that codeine, not brain.
Go ahead, little mama, I could transform ya. No, I can't dance, but I could dance on ya. Smith on the beat, Chris movie feet. And maybe I could transform you him to a me. I could change your life, make it so new. Make you never wanna go back to the old you. So rock that line, give it a little time. If she gon' transform like Optimus Prime.
Welcome back to DunnZWorld. I'm Dunn. If you're new here, I'm gonna give you a kiss, give you a hug, and tell you welcome. You love it here, and if you're returning, welcome back, fam. Welcome back, y'all. How y'all doing? How y'all feeling? Let me know in the comments. Let me know how your day been. Let me know how your week been. Hell, let me know how your year has been. Me and Wifey are about to head out in a few. We're actually going out to eat. All right, we have dinner reservations. And then after that, we're going to watch fireworks on the beach out here in Hua Hin. So I figured I will open this vlog up just to bring y'all along with me, just to see what we're going to get into later on this evening, because who knows, right? We've been having all types of different dilemmas with trying to find a ride. Grab is busy, Bolt is busy, but by the grace of God, I just got a notification saying that somebody will be coming in about 18 minutes through Bolt. So we locked in, twin, we locked in. It's just been a very beautiful journey, 2025, to say the least. I feel like there's been ups, there's been downs, and there's been in-betweens, but through it all, we made it. We made it. We freaking made it, y'all. Like, you need to give yourself a pat on the back, all right? And give yourself some grace, all right? We all are going through something, but at least you live to see another day and you made it through, all right? So I want to go ahead and give that love to you all, because I know there's so many different people that watch my channel, that just clicked on this video probably for the first time, that's going through something, and I get that, I understand that, and I just want you to know you're not alone, but I also want to give you your props. I want to applaud you because you made it through and you're still pushing through, and that's something that a lot of people aren't able to do. So but like I said, I wanted to open this vlog up because who knows where this evening may lead us to, but it will be an adventure, it will be a journey, and I am so excited to bring y'all along with me so that we can bring in the new year, y'all, 2026. Like, what? Go ahead and drop it in the comments if you would have thought we probably would have been in some type of flying car by now, because I for damn sure thought that. I just knew for sure, like, we gonna be in some type of flying saucer, flying across the grass, flying across the street. Like, who knows? But that's what I had in my mind. Like, I really thought we would be in some type of spaceship by now, but we ain't there yet. We are not there yet. Not even close. Not even like by an inch of a head. Not even by, I don't even know, like an arm's length. We're nowhere close to that. But I'm excited, y'all. Truly, genuinely, like, I am excited for 2026. I feel like I accomplished a lot this year. I feel like I did a lot this year. And 2026 is just a whole nother level of, like, who knows, but just the optimism of who knows is what has me so excited. So yeah. Thanks to Wifey, she hooked me up with a nice neat bun. All right, anytime y'all see me in a bun that's neat, just know Wifey did it. All right, just know Wifey did it. And I just took my hair out. I had it in some plaits, but I don't know. I just wanted my hair to be out. I wanted to be out. I wanted to be out my face. And I feel, I don't know, I feel so much more freer with my hair on top of my head right now. Like, it's almost like I don't even have hair. I just feel so like, like the air is gonna hit my neck, and I just feel so excited about that. Like, yeah, I like my bun. Go ahead and drop in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about my bun. My bun is A1, alright? But I'm gonna show y'all my fit. We gotta get into the fit. Let's do it. So this is the fit. Got on a pair of Nikes, all right, Vapor Max. Got on a little ankle. And then I have on some slouch socks. Do have on a pair of pleated shorts from Minimal, all right. Can't remember where I got this belt chain from. I want to say it might have been Politic jeans. I am rocking one of my good friends brand by the name of All Summer. One of his latest drops is this vest, and on the back it says it's the World Boys. Go ahead and get into that detail of the world, baby. Yeah, I will go ahead and drop that somewhere over here. I don't know, so y'all can go check that out. And then I do have on a white tee, just a plain crop white tee from Boohoo Man. Got on my seeing glasses so I can see what the fuck going on. All right, and then I am rocking this Coach side bag, all right, with all my essentials. Got my DG Mon in there, my wallet, passport, all that good stuff. But yeah, so this is the fit, y'all. This is the fit. This is the fit ski to bring in the new year. Let me know what y'all think. Drop it in the comments. You gotta go. Ooh, look at my baby.
Right. Okay, so we have some clip-ins in from Curls Queen. Okay. Very good. Very good.
Okay.
I got this maxi skirt. It's actually a set from Fashion Nova. I'm not wearing the top, but I wanted to pair it with this Wolford bodysuit. So this is a bodysuit. Very flowy, has pockets. I have on these Steve Madden sandals. Hopefully y'all can see them because my daughter is blocking me. Steve Madden sandals, and I got this little purse. I think this is either from Fashion Nova or Amazon. These glasses are from Amazon. These bracelets are Selvon NYC, Amazon, and I got this from a vendor. This is a permanent bracelet. I got this from a vendor from an event in San Antonio. And yeah, I think that's about it.
Fine as fuck, fine. Just too fine. Fine as wine.
I look like a tourist, but I live here, actually. I'm an expat. I look like I'm on vacation, but life's a vacation, so yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
I done told y'all like 3-4 times we about to walk out the door, but we still waiting on the ride to come. Ussies. Love you.
Love you more. Happy New Year, baby.
Happy New Year, baby. I'm ready to eat and have a little
I'm ready to eat
drink.
too. Me too.
I'm gonna tell y'all this right here, right now. Like, this just feels so different. Like, it just feels extremely different because I'm in a completely different position than what I've ever been in my whole life. Like, just completely different. And I'm not even talking about where I'm currently located in Thailand. I'm talking about just emotionally, physically, financially. Like, it's just different. And I'm just like, yo, this is about to be bananas. This is about to be bananas, but I'm uber excited, y'all. I did not tell y'all where we was going to. We are going to a steakhouse. It's by the name of, don't give me the line. I'll drop it below because I don't remember. But it's a steakhouse, and we already have reservations there. Fingers crossed that the food gonna be good. I'm sure it is. But I don't like to be disappointed, you know what I'm saying? Especially when I'm hungry. I hate to be disappointed with food. But so we're gonna hit that up. And then like I said, we're gonna head on over to the beach. Hopefully, the commute there is not gonna be crazy because it's New Year's Eve, y'all. It's New Year's Eve, so it's gonna be a lot of people out and about, families, couples, kids, dogs, turtles, you know what I'm saying? And I just, I just don't wanna be, you know what I'm saying? Like just rushing, you know what I'm saying? Like I already want to be placed and already where I need to be so we can see the fireworks. But like I said, I'm gonna bring y'all with me. You already know what to do. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. And make sure you subscribe. You be watching the video. You already here. Make sure you subscribe. And go ahead and share the video too. And drop me some comments. Like let me know in the comments what's going on with you. Let me know in the comments why you're not subscribed. If you watching the video and you still here, let me know why you don't want to subscribe or why you haven't subscribed. Go ahead and drop that in the comments. Let me know. Let's politic about it. You gotta go. So listen, y'all. We just made it to the restaurant. I don't know what was up with Buddy. Buddy acted like he did not want to drop us off at the front of this restaurant. But at the end of the day, we made it here safe and sound. Like My guy was grunting, growling. I don't know what his problem was. Maybe he just had some rides lined up. I don't know. But I was just like, sir, you was not going to drop us off in the middle of this road down the street. That's not happening, my boy. When we made it here at the restaurant, I need me a drink. So I'm about to look at this menu. Oh yeah, and by the way, y'all, like the restaurant is like right off a really busy street. So I'm gonna hit y'all with some B-roll because you're probably not gonna be able to hear me with all the constant traffic. Then they got music playing too, but I just wanted to pop in and let y'all know they made it here safely. Let me give me a drink. Gotta go. No features.
And I'm right back on Dale. Still got some boys on the payroll. These niggas still tipping Carol. She with a P in the leg, the condo. We bout to use my Giano. Up in the P, out some beaming on narcos. Thinking I should take the Bronco. Oh yeah, gotta go get it tomorrow. I'm selling out the Apollo. Inside my body is hollow. Count up, don't make get your folks out the ghetto. You know that who with the motto. Say nigga want to talk out his side of his neck. I just let it be in, come and swallow. Told my little brother we pulling us back in these niggas that thinking we hoes.
So we just got done eating, y'all, and it was good. I give it solid. What would you say, baby? Like,
I would say a 7 out of 10.
7 out of 10. Yeah, I give it about a 7 out of 10. It was satisfying. It hit the spot because we were both hungry, and we got a little bit of bubbly. So, you know, I needed that. We both needed that after that crazy taxi drive we had.
And which it wasn't even really crazy. It was just almost uncomfortable.
It was like cringe. Yeah,
it was cringe.
It was cringe. But listen, y'all, I don't know what it is, but clearly me and Wifey are like hot commodities. Literally had a woman that was sitting next to us with her husband and her child that was staring me down. She could not help herself. It was almost like she was in a trance. Mm-hmm. Like it was so crazy to the point where she came over and apologized and said, I'm so sorry, but you and her, because she, of course, she don't know that we're married, but she was like, you and her are just completely beautiful. And I was like, thank you. But I've just never had, actually I take that back. I've had people stare at me plenty of times.
But they don't say anything.
Yeah, they don't say nothing, which the people who was just sitting next to us right now was just staring at us. Because the lady who actually came up and said something, she walked away, like, not walked away, but she got up and left. Like, when she was leaving is when she actually said what she wanted to say. But I was just like, man, why she keep staring? Like, she was literally like,
right.
Like, shorty was like hypnotized, and I was just like, bro, like, do I got a dick on my forehead? Needless to say, it was a cool experience. If you're in Hua Hin and you're looking for a cool little vibe, little steakhouse, little 1-2-1-2, gotta hit up Big Bull Steakhouse. We about to take us a little walk, peep the scene. You coming with me? I'ma record. So just sit tight. We gonna get on this block. As you can see, it's a busy block right now. By the way, like, the streets are this street is super narrow. Like, it's just a busy night. It's New Year's Eve, so everybody is outside. You get what I'm saying? Like, everybody's outside. So we gonna see what else this area that we're currently in has to offer, and I'm gonna pop back in with y'all. I need to figure out something else to say other than pop back in with y'all. Gotta go. We're on our first tuk-tuk. Let go. Oh, look at the Hard Rock Cafe.
Oh, the Hard Rock Cafe just opened.
Yeah. And the night's not even over yet. We still got about maybe 2 hours before the new year. And
a couple more hours than 2.
Really?
Yeah. It's not even 9 o'clock yet.
Oh, damn. Well, shit, we got a lot of time.
3.5.
3. Trio. It is hot. There's 2 hippos in a boxcar in the middle of the summer. You hear me?
That's because we was wrong.
2 possums with the swamp mumps from out of the moss marsh of Louisiana. That's how hot it is right now.
We bout to use my Giano. Up in the P, out some beaming on narcos. Thinking I should take the Bronco.
I told you that nigga was back, bro.
OJ, gotta go get it tomorrow. go, go. And on the count of 3, go, 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 go. And on the count of 3, go, 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 go. On the count of 3, everybody.
Those fireworks went crazy, and they still got them coming. There's more, just wait. The fireworks show was a 10 out of 10.
I mean,
y'all.
it's still going on.
Yeah, it's still going on.
Y'all
Y'all see it.
traffic.
Y'all see it. Hopefully I'm pointing the camera right. But they are still going crazy, okay? Happy New Year, y'all. Happy new motherfucking year, you hear me? Right, happy 2026. Oh, hey, say, man. Beautiful, y'all, beautiful. Happy New Year, 2026. New beginnings, new opportunities, new blessings. Dope, super dope fireworks show, y'all. As y'all know, like I know, and as y'all saw, just like I saw, that beach was packed. So we going ahead trying to get a head start on trying to find a ride back to the Brib, because you already know we might be out here for a little minute. But I am so glad that y'all came with us. I'm so glad that y'all hung out with us throughout this whole day while we celebrated the Happy New Year. Even though y'all it ain't New Year yet for y'all, but by the time y'all see this, it will be New Year. Yes. But I just want to say I love y'all. Stay true to you. Do what makes you happy. Live for you, because you don't never know when that time gonna come. You don't ever want to look back and be like, damn, I wish I would have did this. I wish I would have did that. Do whatever it is that you want to do in life. I don't care if you want to be an ostrich. You better be the best motherfucking ostrich you could be. But with all that being said, make sure you like this video. Make sure you comment this video. Make sure you share this video. And most of all, make sure you are subscribed. Many blessings to all of you. I love you. And until next time, fam, peace.
A love like that won't last.